Welcome to Langkawi in Malaysia. That's a holiday island of Malaysia, and I've been spending my 2 days when I was in a long business trip in August, September for 2 months. So 2 days of my trip, I had chance to come to Langkawi. Here is this beautiful island, and I spent beautiful 2 days literally doing nothing. I spent all my trip in the resort or around it in that nice coffee shop, which I can find really nice croissant. So I don't really have much to offer you that I've been traveling around Langkawi, but I was staying at one point. But the interesting thing I can offer you with this trip is my new toy, DJI Mini 2. It was my birthday just a month ago, and my family decided to give me a drone, a DJI Mini 2 as a birthday gift, and that was my late engagement to the world of drones, to piloting drones to get beautiful views around my travels. Here I'm staying on the west side of Langkawi Island. Is just 1 hour flight, less than 1 hour flight from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I can consider that a big island, and you have lots of things to see, but of course mostly 99% by nature. You can see nice beautiful beaches, lots of forests, rivers, waterfalls. That's really nice. But I was staying in a beachfront resort, that's why I spent all my time around and I flew the drone around it. DJI Mini is really interesting. It's really small. It's written 249 grams. Probably when your drone is going up to 250 grams, it becomes to another category. That's why they want to keep it in a lower category to not to get permissions, etc. And when I see it how small it is, I was pretty afraid that it can be lost. When you see how small it is, you don't really feel confident with it. But when you try a little bit of DJI Mini 2, you feel that it's really strong. It's going anywhere. I flew it almost 2 kilometers. That was really far. For example, that remote island, that's about 1 kilometer away, and there is no civilization, no settlement on it. You can probably go just with a private boat, but with the DJI Mini 2, I was able to fly there. I was able to fly there and check what's going on. Another thing you see often in Langkawi, here you see on the top, there are paragliders. They are following, I don't know what it's called. They are pulled by a boat, and that should be really nice experience. I also tried to catch some of them with the drone. I want to tell you a little bit about my observations of Langkawi. That's definitely a touristic destination, but comparing to Bali and Phuket, which is the nearby popular destinations here, you see much less people, and I can say that it was a really good thing for me. It was peaceful, didn't tons of tourists around. It was a comfortable stay for my 2 days stay in Langkawi. If you know me, you know I do lots of business with Southeast Asia. That's why Malaysia is a popular destination for me, myself, for my business, such as Indonesia, Thailand also. And that's why I have chance to visit Langkawi often. So if you are interested, whenever I have chance to make more videos about Langkawi in my next visits, I will definitely shoot more vlog videos with showing you more videos of Langkawi. I hope you enjoy the beautiful views of the island with my new drone DJI Mini 2. From time to time I will be shooting and posting on my Cemal Bulunmaz YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe or come back sometimes from time to time to have a look at the new videos. Thank you so much for your time. I keep you watching the beautiful drone views of Langkawi. See you again in the next videos.